Alright, y'all. Reddy Colt. Gabeybaby. Wrapping my car around a tree 'cause she ruined my perception of love. Flying down the road doing 130, gonna crash, my feelings gone. Wrapping my car around a tree, I'm gonna die slowly in the snow. All my friends are clowning me 'cause I begged her not to go. You will get a gut-wrenching feeling when you see that I'm breaking up with you. Text, bam, my blood's all over the dash. Wrapping my car around the tree while she kisses someone new. Sure hope that bitch is happy when she sees me on the news. Seriously, I fucking hate you. Like, you know who you are, you're a terrible person. You're a piece of shit. You will get a heart-stopping feeling when you see a new boy on her Instagram. Slam, my car became my casket. Wrapping my car around a tree, gonna total this four-wheel drive. Tell my mama I'm sorry and that I simply just wanted to die.